Hello, how's it going on everybody? Welcome back to my Mastering Python course, right? So we have already done 1.1, now we have 1.2 also finished. Let me tell you something about data structures, right? So data structure, organizing and storing data efficiently in computer memory, right? So data structures provide a means, right? It provides a way to manage and manipulate data effectively, enabling faster access, insertion, and deletion operations, right? So common data structures include arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Data structures are important because of the following reasons: efficient data management, data organization, data abstraction, reusability, and algorithm optimization. Classification of data structures. There are two types of data structures. They are linear and non-linear. Linear data structures store data in a sequential order, this allowing for easy insertion and deletion operations. Non-linear data structures store data in a hierarchical or interconnected manner, this allowing for more complex relationships between data elements. Okay, under 2.1 we have list and indexing and slicing. You will get to know about indexing and slicing, list methods, and so on, right? So in this section you will see how to access individual elements and sequences of objects within your list. In order to access list elements, we can make use of numerical index in square brackets, right? So for example, my list bracket square bracket m. This technique is similar to accessing individual characters in a string. List indexing is also zero-based, right? As an example, fruits, apple, banana, orange, print fruits 1. It will print apple, right? Let's dive in, okay? So we are in section 2, data structures. So under data structures, we have under data structures we have list, dictionaries, tuples, right? So let's begin with list. Is an example, right? Example number 5, list. Okay, you need to specify the elements within square brackets, and you can simply print, right? Accessing elements, elements, right? So let's get started. First, we have list, dictionaries, and tuples, right? We have list, dictionaries, and tuple. We have already created folder, so you can go here and create a new Python file, list.py, right? Okay, have you got something? Okay, list is something, right? Yeah, I have already told you about list. Today we are discussing about list. Okay, this is iKHOMKODES, right? So let me declare, right? Okay, so we have fruits is equals to, you need to, okay, this is how you are going to gain list. Apple, oranges, and mango, right? This is how you can declare list, right? A list of fruits, right? So you need to print, in order to print, okay, you can do fruits, and let's see what is there in value 1, right? So before running, you need to save this file, right? So here is the option. You can simply go here, save, or you can directly save from your keyboard, Ctrl S, and you are ready to run this program. Let's run it. Okay, yeah, you got it, oranges, right? Because this also starts from 0. So in 0 position we have, in position 0 we have apple, whereas in position 1 we have oranges, right? So let's try it again. Let's is the number 3. Do you have 3? No, 0, 1, 2, only 2, right? So before this you need to save and run. Okay, mango, right? This is a simple implementation of list in Python, right? Okay, next we have dictionaries. Okay, so let's try another example, right? So okay, list.py, right? Can you file test.py, something like that, right? So here we are talking about list, right? List, and this is iKHOMKODES, right? Please do like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, right? So let's start. A is equals to something like, okay, let's declare some list. Okay, we have spam over here. Let's say spam, right? And another we have, mm, another we have, let's say egg, right? And another we have bacon, and let's say we have tomato, right? So we have lobster here, right? So now that we have, let's say, ham, right? So these are the things, these are all the things, and let's see what it is, right? We just need to print it, right? Save it, and let's try to run on this code. Okay, this is not working. Let's print a, right? Print a, and let's try it again. Okay, so spam a, bacon, tomato, lobster, ham. These are the elements of the list, right? So let's try it again. Okay, so if you want to extract only one value from this, then you need to do just like this. Okay, print since okay, you need to print tomato from here. Okay, if you are going to print tomato from this list, then you need to start from here 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So position 3 we have tomato. Let's print this. Okay, do with me, code with me, and let's run it. Right, you need to save it and run it. Okay, you got tomato. Yes, isn't it amazing, right? Okay, let's try with another value. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements in this list. So you need to print the sixth element, that is ham, on this list. Then you need to enter the number 5 here, right? This list and array always starts from 0. That's the thing. Okay. So let's say let's check where are we? Okay, you need to go to do you have any control 1, control 2. So you can simply say here look, we got ham, right? Okay, city mastering Python section 2 data structures, right? You need to go to section data structures and you get ready to okay 3.1 then 3.1 list. We have test.py here with Python test.py. Okay, this is our front end. That's it. So another let's try with another example, right? Let's try to find the length. Okay, let's try to find the length of lobster, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth element lobster, right? So in order to find the length of lobster element, you can simply do this like this: print a square bracket length of a minus 1 or something just like that. Okay, no, I mean how many elements are okay. I was going to say okay, let us now find the number of elements in this list. Okay, in list A. Okay, length I mean number of elements in the list. Okay, so in order to find the number of list, you need to print a length of a minus 1. Is it a minus 1 or something just like that? Okay, so okay, length of I was right. Okay, let's find the length. Okay, length of lobster element. So this is in section minus 2 with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have how many elements here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements and minus 2. Let's run it. Yeah, lobster. you got lobster in here. Okay, let's try to okay, so let's try to print a6. Okay, a6, is it possible? No, because we have only 6 elements, and if you print 6, then it will be the 7th element, because always a list always start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, right? But if you try to print a6 in here, then you will have an error. Okay, let's try to run it. What will it give, right? It must give list index out of range, right? Okay, look, list index out of range, because we have only 6 elements here, and list always starts from 0. That's why it counts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if you try to print the 6th element, then it shows index out of range error, right? Okay, that's it. That is the only thing that I was going to show in this session, right? So let's try another. Okay, let's print a minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, what will you get? So let's try another. Okay, let's print a minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, what will you get? Okay, ham, right? So if you try to print minus 2, then you will get lobster here, right? Lobster. Is that right? Okay, lobster here, right? So another this way you can print minus 5 as well. For minus 5 you need to get egg, right? Egg. Yeah, you got it. Amazing. This is the simple application of list in Python, right? So if you try to print like okay, a minus 8 or something just like that, but we have only 6 elements here, but then let's try it. Okay, index out of range, because this is correct. Okay, let's try another. Let's say print a minus length of a. And what will it print? If you do this, it will print okay, span, right? Length of a span. That's it. This is how you can start your learning journey, right? Okay, now this is the end of section 2.1 list, right? This is the simple implementation of list, and into this let's create another file as well, that is slicing. Okay, need to slicing.py. Okay, what do you understand about slicing, right? Slicing is indexing syntax. Okay, slicing is index, indexing system that extracts a portion, right? It extracts only a portion from a list. So let's get started. Okay, sorry. This is iKHOMKODES. Okay, slicing. Okay, so for example, if A is a list, right? If A is a list, then A m is to n returns the PORTI portion of A, right? So what you can do is simply, let's say if A is a list, then A m is to n returns the portion of starting with position m. Similarly, another is up to what, not including n, right? So, and another is negative indexing can also be used, right? So as an example, okay, let's try it with an example. Okay, let's try with the same example as above, right? This.py, slicing this.py. Let's copy this, Ctrl C, Let's start with an example, right? So example, okay, same example. We are going to take this same example for now. Okay, let's try to print a 2:5. Okay, a 2:5. Let's say we can print. Okay, you got bacon, tomato, lobster. 2:5, okay? You need to start from 2 and end at 5. That is 0, 1, 2. Okay, this 2, this is 2, and 3, 4, 5. 5 is end, right? You got bacon, tomato, lobster. Starting from 2 to 5. 2 to 5, right? You're printing. Here you are printing elements from 2 to 5. Right? Elements between 2 to 5. Okay, that's it. Now we have. Let's try to print for a minus 5 is to 2. That's only just like that. Okay, is to minus 2. What will you print? Okay, you got egg, bacon, tomato. Egg, bacon, tomato, right? Minus 5 is to minus 2. Next we can try with another, right? Next we can try with, okay, print a 1 to 4. 1 is to 4. Or something like that, right? So let's run it. You got egg, bacon, tomato, right? Egg, bacon, tomato. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As the fourth element, we are printing 3 elements, right? This is how you can do. Okay. So here are more. Here you can get a lot more examples, right? And just try it, right? Okay. So this is how. Omitting the first and or last index, right? Omitting the first index a is the and slice at the beginning of the list. Omitting the last index a m is 2. So it's like this. Extends the slice from the first index m to the end of the list, right? So omitting both indexes a is 2. Returns are okay. This returns a copy of the entire list, but unlike with the string, it is a copy, not a reference to the same object, right? So here are so many examples. You can try it out, and that's it. Okay, a stride can be added to your slice notation using an additional and a third index designates a stride, also called a step. In your slice notation, the stride can be either positive or negative, right? So this is another way to do, and that's it. Please try to do it with me, so you will get to know. Okay, we're printing all the elements of the list, right? So we're printing a lot of list, and similarly we can try another. That is, let's say, print a list to 4. Got egg, spam egg, bacon, tomato. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. If you do not have anything before this is 2 option, then it will start from first position, that is 0 position, right? You can try it yourself. You have lots more. Okay, so let's try to do this like this. A is equals to O is equal to A is to print A. This one's print. This is what you can do, right? Right. Thank you.